Today you will learn the I and sounds. Hey, this week we are going to be working with 3 different patterns. So at the top of your board, go ahead and draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and just like you learned yesterday, today we are working with the short I sound, the short sound, and then we're going to have an oddball thrown in there too. That oddball is not going to follow the pattern I or So our first heading should have the short I sound, like in p, I, g. So we're going to be looking for that short I sound in column number 1. Number 2, we are looking for that short sound, like in k, And it's going to say that sound for column 2. And then this week we are working with another oddball column. That word is not going to follow the I or the pattern. So let's get started. Our first word is the word zip. Z-I-P, zip. Zip is going to go under our first column because this letter right here is saying I, like in pig. Saying right zip under column 1. Z-I-P, zip. Now let's dot and dash. Z-I-P, zip. Our next word is the word bit. B-it, bit. Bit is also going to go under column 1 because it makes that short I sound. Let's say and write bit under column 1. B-it, bit. And dot and dash with me. B-it, bit. Let's take a look at our next word. This is the word but. B-ut, but. This letter right here is saying just like in k, up. So let's say and write but under column 2. B-ut, but. Now let's dot and dash. B-ut, but. Our next word is the word big. Say the sounds for big. B-I-G, big. What is this vowel saying? I, very good. So we are going to say and write big under column 1. B-I-G, big. Now let's dot and dash. B-I-G. This is the word jug. Let's say the sounds for jug. J-U-G, jug. What is this vowel saying? Very good, just like in cup. Let's say and write jug under column 2. J-U-G, jug. Now let's dot and dash. J-U-G, jug. This is the word pin. Say the sounds for pin. P-I-N, pin. What is this vowel saying? I, very good. Pin is going to go under column 1. Say and write pin under column 1. P-I-N. Now let's dot and dash. P-I-N. This is the word tub. Let's say the sounds for tub. T-U-B, tub. What sound is this vowel making? Very good. Like in column 2. Say and write tub under column 2. T-U-B, tub. Now let's dot and dash. T-U-B, tub. Let's say our sounds for this word. R-I-P, rip. What sound is this vowel making? I, very good. Let's say and write rip under column 1. Let me hear you. R-I-P, rip. Now let's dot and dash. R-I-P, rip. This is the word will. Let's say the sounds for will. W-I-L. Will. What sound is this vowel making? I. Very good. Let's say and write will under column 1. W-I-L. Now let's dot and dash. W-I-L. Let's say our sounds for this word. Him. What sound do you hear? Very good. Say and write him under column 1. Now let me hear you dot and dash. Him. Let's say our sounds for this word. Cut. What sound do you hear? Very good. Let's say and write cut under column 2, just like cup. Cut. Now let's dot and dash. T. This is the word rub. Say the sounds for rub. B. Rub. What sound do you hear? Very good. Say and write rub under column 2. B. Now let me hear you dot and dash. B. Rub. This is the word hum. Say the sounds for hum. Hum. Hum goes under column 2 because this says Say and write hum under column 2. Hum. Now dot and dash. Let's say our sounds for this word. Win. Where does win go? You're right, under column 1. Let's say and write win under column 1. Now let's dot and dash. Let's say the sounds for this word. Fun. What do you hear this letter saying? Very good. Say and write fun under column 2. Now let me hear you dot and dash. Let's say the sounds for this word. Six. What do you hear this vowel saying? Very good. Say and write 6 under column 1. Now let me hear you dot and dash. Let's say the sounds for this word. Nut. Where does nut go? Under column 2. Very good. Let's say and write nut under column 2. Nut. Now let's dot and dash. Nut. I'm going to write my next word over here so we have a little bit more room. This is the word run. Let's say the sounds for run. Run. Where does run go? Fantastic. Run goes under column 2. Say and write run. Run. Now let's dot and dash. This is the word put. Say the sounds for put. Put. Again. Put. Put. What do you hear this vowel saying? Does that match our I pattern? No. Does it sound like our pattern? No. So the word put, because this one letter right here is saying does not follow either one of our patterns for this week. This is going to be that oddball word. It is a word that you're just going to have to memorize in order to say and write it correctly. Let's say and write put under our oddball column. P, t, put. Now let's dot and dash. P, t, put. We have two more words. Let's say our sounds for this word. D, I, d, did. Where does did go? You are right. Did goes under column 1. D, I, d. Now let's dot and dash. D, I, d. And our last word for this week is the word gum. Say gum. Now let's say the sounds for gum. G, Where does gum go? Absolutely. Gum goes under column 2. Say and write gum. G, And then we need to dot and dash one more time. G, Nice job today. Thank you for following along. Let's go over our patterns one more time, and we're going to go through the words that we made this week. This is going to be our short I sound, like in pig. Pig, zip. Pig, bit. Pig, big. Pig, pin. Pin, pig, rip. Pig, will. Pig, him. Pig, win. Pig, 6, pig, did. Our second column is that short sound, like in up. Cup, butt. Cup, jug. Cup, tub. Cup, cut. Cup, rug. Cup, hop. Cup, fun. Cup, nut. Cup, run. Cup, gum. And we have an oddball column with our word put underneath that column, because this letter right here does not follow either one of our patterns for this week. Now it's your turn. Go try your own sort. You should now know the different sounds of I and